In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Kartra. We'll move through the editor together so you can confidently update copy, adjust fonts, and apply your changes without breaking your layout. Start by signing in and heading to your Kartra dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open Pages. This takes you to the area where all your pages live. Next, open all pages so you can see everything you've created in one place. Find the page you want to work on and open it in the page editor. Give it a second to load. The builder will show your page exactly as it appears to visitors. Hover over the section that contains the text you want to change and click directly on that text. You'll see a small toolbar appear near the element. Click the pencil icon to open the editing pane. If multiple options show, choose Text to reveal the text settings and content field for that block. Now type in your new text. If you're pasting from another document, consider pasting as a plain text to avoid unwanted styles coming over. Keep headlines short and clear and use concise paragraphs for body copy so it's easy to scan. As you write, watch the preview on the canvas to make sure line breaks and spacing look natural. Next, choose the font family. Pick a font that aligns with your brand and remains readable on both desktop and mobile. For a clean hierarchy, use one font for headings and a complementary one for body text if your theme allows. Check that the chosen font supports any special characters you need and looks good at smaller sizes. When you're happy with the content and styling, click Apply. This commits the changes in the editor. Take a quick look across your page to confirm spacing, alignment, and contrast still feel balanced. If your editor offers a mobile preview, switch to it to ensure the text wraps nicely on smaller screens. That's it. Your text is updated, your font is set, and your changes are applied, ready for the next round of edits or for publishing when you're done building the rest of the page.